Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Explorer.
You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices.
This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, ambient lighting, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.